Hello, my lovely children. Welcome back to today's session of the maths of the standard third. In the previous session, we have studied about how to recognize the even number, but today we are going to see here about how odd numbers. Okay, students, then let's see. First one, all numbers with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. That means how to recognize it? If any number is there to that number at the end, that means at the ones place, if there is a 1, otherwise 3, otherwise 5, otherwise 7, otherwise 9, any digit is there from this number, then definitely it will be the odd number. Okay, students, now again, the number which cannot be completely divided by 2 is the odd numbers. That means we have seen about the even number that is completely divided by 2 and their remainder is 0. But here remainder will not be 0. Okay, the number which cannot be completely divided by 2 is the odd number. That means here remainder will be not 0. Third one, odd numbers are all those numbers that cannot be put into pairs. That means if any odd number is given and we have to do two groups of that odd number, then we cannot do in same pair, in same group. That means we cannot put this number into pairs. Let's see one example here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 stars. Then if someone is telling us just make a two same group, that means make a pair. Pair means in both group there will be same objects. But we can do here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I can put here 4 star, and then what is remain? 1, 2, 3. How many remain here? 3 stars remain. So we cannot put same stars in both group. So that's why we can say that we cannot be put any number into pairs, any odd number into pair. That's why this is also odd number. Okay, students, now let's see one example is here. Here is the 27. Then can we see, is it odd number or even number? What is the odd number? If at the ones place of the given number, if there is a 1, 3, 5, 7 digits are there, then it will be the odd number. Let's see, this is the 27 number. In that 27, 2 is at the tens place and 7 is at the ones place. And at a ones place, there is the 7. So, definitely this 27 whole number is the odd number. Now you can see here 981. Here 9 is in hundredth place, 8 is in tens place and 1 is at ones place. So at a ones place there is a 1 and this is from the group of this digit. So we can say that this is definitely odd number. Now see here again 4 digit number 5743. 5743. Which is the ones place? This is the last place is called the ones place. So at the ones place there is a 3. 3 is from this odd numbers group. So we can say this 4 digit whole number is the odd number. Now next example 155. At the last place, that means at the ones place there is also 5. And we cannot be divided completely by 2, this whole number. Why? Because remainder will be not get 0. So this is also definitely odd number. Now this is also 7199. At the ones place, last place there is a 9. So this is the odd number. Now we can solve this. We can solve this exercise. which is our rule? Main rule is there, check the last digit. Only we have to check the last digit. There is a 79. 79 is the odd number or even number? Definitely at the ones place there is a 9. That means this is the odd number. This is also odd number. There is a 9 at the ones place. This is also odd number. There is the 1 at the ones place. So this is also odd number. So this group of number is the odd number. This group of number is the odd. So we can put here odd number. Okay students. Now see next example. There is the 3406. At the ones place there is the 6. If 6, 8, 2, 4, these digits are there at the ones place, then we can definitely say that is the even number. So it is the even number. Check only last digit. There is a 8 and there is a 0. So we can say that this is the even numbers group. Now see next, there is a 4109. We have to check the last digit only. There is a 9, there is a 3, there is a 9. So we can say that this is the odd numbers group. Now next example, 22. There is a 2 at the ones place. There is 4, there is 8. So definitely it is the even number. Last example, there is the 1 at the ones place, there is 9 and there is a 7. Only we have to check the last digit of any number, then we can decide, we can identify the odd number or even number. We can say that it is the odd numbers group. Okay students, I hope you understood very well. Till then, bye children.